How to fix arc readers, an error occurred, login failed due to service. So what you need to do is you need to search for services and open services. After opening services, you need to find for ActiveX installer, and what you need to do is go over to properties. Here make sure you set it to automatic and then click on start, apply, OK and restart your PC. After doing this, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can make a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.